Hey you guys, what is up? I'm Kalpana and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another makeup tutorial, but today's tutorial is so much different from what I usually do. Today's look is literally going to be very minimalistic, very basic, and everybody's kind of look. So whenever I do like a full glam makeup look, it looks very beautiful and a lot of people enjoy watching it, but a lot of them never imitate that look in their real life because of so many reasons. A, it's not their cup of tea. B, it is too much product, very long process. And C, very importantly, we don't have like a lot of functions, lot of occasions, parties to attend, and we literally cannot do that much of makeup for our daily look. So in today's video I am going to do a very basic, wearable and super quick makeup look using just 5 products. Yes, you heard it right, I said just 5 products, and trust me, not only it going to turn out very beautiful, but it will be so easy and quick to do. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Also, one last thing before we start this tutorial, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It takes less than a second, but it would mean a lot to me. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notification from YouTube every time I'm posting up a new video. How cool is that? And now let's get started finally. Okay, so I have already moisturized my face and it is all prepped for makeup. You can literally use any moisturizer that suits your skin type, unless you are among those blessed soul who have flawless beautiful skin and they can literally roam around with their bare skin. You need some base product to get even skin and cover all your blemishes. So I'm going to use this concealer from LA Girl to cover all the pigmented areas on my face, but you can literally use a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream or a lightweight foundation or nothing if that is what you are comfortable with. So I'm going to put this around my eyes and some on eyelids, and then around my nose, little bit on my forehead, and then the area around my mouth is also dark as compared to the rest of my face. So I'm just going to put some concealer there also. Then you see these acne marks, so I'm just going to put a tad bit concealer on them too. Then my forehead is a little darker, you can see, I don't know if you can, but yeah. So I'm not going to put a lot of product. Yeah, that's it. I'm just going to blend this quickly. This is a Down Beauty sponge that I'm using to blend this concealer. I'm just going to leave this concealer on my eyes for a few seconds. This way, this will just give a better coverage. While we are waiting, let me tell you one thing. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but my skin is having major rashes. Oh my god, rashes are so irritating. They are so itchy and drying. I just almost felt like scratching my own skin because it was so terrible. The rashes are still there, but they are minimized a bit because I am applying the homemade mask that works for these rashes on my skin. It is normally made with Multani Mitti. Any hydrating natural product with Multani Mitti like dahi, doodh, honey. Yeah, so today I was skeptical about shooting this makeup look because you know, when your skin is itching, you literally hate putting anything on your skin, and makeup is something you can't even think of. But I applied Multani Mitti twice before filming this video so that my skin is more calm and these rashes do not bother that much. Okay, concealer is done. Our second product would be a loose powder, which will just set this concealer and make sure that this concealer doesn't move for a long time. So I have this loose powder from Becca. I'm just taking it in my brush. You can use a compact also if that is what you normally use. So I'm just applying to all the places where I applied concealer so that my concealer just get fixed to my face for a long time and it doesn't move. If you have oily skin, you can just literally set your entire face. I'm not doing it because I have dry skin, and too much powder on my face just makes it very cakey and drying. I'm just taking my beauty sponge to dab everything together so that it looks more natural and more into the skin rather than a layer on the skin. Okay, we are good now. The third product is going to be eyebrow pencil to fill my eyebrows, because you can see I literally do not have eyebrows, and even if you have like enough hair, eyebrow hair, you still need to shape them and make them more defined. Eyebrow just changes your game, trust me. So I'm using this goof proof brow pencil from Benefit, but it doesn't have any spoolie, it is just the eyebrow pencil. So I'm taking another brush that has spoolie on it. This is from my eyebrow cake that I use. So I'll just brush my eyebrows first and then I'll start filling it. See how beautiful your face looks when you have well defined and precise eyebrows. This side and this side just looks like, you know what. Now the fourth product of this look is a lipstick. A lipstick is so important for this look because we do not have any color on the face, and this is just going to do its magic. And we are going to use a lipstick as an eyeshadow, as a blush, and of course as a lipstick, and it's going to be fun and it's very easy. Just see. And by the way, I'm using this Miss Claire Matte Power Lip Color in the shade 02. It's a very pretty color and it's a very beautiful lipstick. So I'm just going to take this lipstick on back of my hand like this, and I'm just taking this with my finger very gently, like just this one. You don't need a lot of color at once, and just apply this on my eyelid. You can literally leave this look right here because it's already blended, because I was also blending with my finger while applying the color. But I'm just going ahead and taking this brush and just blending the edges of this. Also taking this to my lower lash line. Eyeshadow is completely optional because I know a lot of people are not comfortable with eyeshadow, so that is okay. You can completely skip this and go with further steps. But if you like a little bit of subtle color on your eyelids, then you should definitely do this. Now to get some color on the cheeks, I'm again using the same lipstick, and I am taking this again on back of my hand. This is all dried down, so I cannot really use it. So yeah, I would suggest if you are using a matte lipstick, always take very little color at once, otherwise it will just dry down like it did here, and then it becomes useless. So it's simply waste of product. I've taken this on my finger, and now I'm just placing this where I normally put my blush. Okay, I'm just taking my beauty blender to blend this quickly. Since this is a matte lipstick, you have to start blending the moment you put color on your cheeks, otherwise it will just mattify and you will not be able to move it and your look will be ruined. To be on safer side, you can always use a bullet lipstick. Those work better as blush. They are easy to blend and they do not get like dried down. I just used a liquid lipstick because I wanted this color. I'm also applying some of this color to my nose and my chin, because normally I do apply blush on the tip of my nose like this and my chin as well. It just makes the whole look so much more complete and cohesive. So I'm just blending this. Now let's use lipstick as lipstick. Finally, I'm just going to put this on my lips. I've also lined my lips like this because this had a very fine tip, so I was able to line my lips nicely. Such a beautiful lip shade, and Just see how amazingly this lipstick has added color to the entire face beautifully. Just look at this beautiful monotone makeup look going on. I'm just loving this shade. And have I mentioned this in my favorite lipsticks, products, or new shades ever? No, I don't think I have mentioned this particular shade 02. I have mentioned 06 from Miss Claire in one of my recent nude lipsticks. You should definitely expect this lipstick in my next favorite lipsticks or favorite nude lipstick shade. Just giving a heads up. So we have used 4 products till now and we have space for one more. Just give it a rough guess what that product could be. Just see what is missing on my face and what you would like to add more to it to make it more complete and more beautiful. Yeah, just let me know in the comment section what you guessed, but the answer is mascara, because my eyes are looking dead. I mean, see, you can barely see my eyelashes. I anyway do not have much eyelashes, and to make your eye look more beautiful, awake and more noticeable, you need a good mascara to lift your lash and give them some length and volume. And I'm using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I'm also using a curler to curl these eyelashes to make them more lifted and curled up. You can simply skip this step. I just love using a curler. That's it. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this very basic everyday makeup look using just 5 products. If you did, give a thumbs up to this video and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done already, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my videos. And I'll see you soon next time. Bye bye.